cherry shrimp.
Red cherry.
Red cherry. Yan.
Buntis marami.
Wow. Okay, they will multiply like crazy. They're the same species of Bloody Mary, but they're different. Bloody Mary, the color is in the meat. Red cherry, the color is in the skin. Did you know that? Anong fish to?
The convicts. There.
No. No, ubos yan dyan.
Sino kumain? Ah, yung...
Ubos yan dyan. The carp should ubos that.
So here.
Yeah.
No, they won't.
They're too small pa. Yeah. We need to remove the convicts soon. Yeah.
Laki. Lumakas yung iba eh.
Oh, see. What do you think? We move them now or tomorrow?
Tomorrow na.
I
Kailan sila dumating? Kanina?
Mga